Hello and welcome to another Xterra video where I work on my truck. Sometimes I'm successful, sometimes I'm not. And in today's video I'm gonna do a very small minor update. It's an exterior update and it's something if you wanna spice up interior of your truck. And I'm not talking about hanging pink handcuffs of your rear view mirror, but you can do that anyways or somewhere else. But what I'm actually gonna talk about and what I'm gonna show you, it's one of my friends. He actually makes this stuff and I wanted just to share it with everybody. Maybe you guys need it as well, because maybe you have an older truck and the steering wheel is a little bit worn out. You just want to update something in there. But let me show you guys what I got. So actually my friends, he makes this decals for the steering wheel, for the shifter column, and this, look what I got, guys. So this is for the shifter column. Look how great it looks. It looks so nice. I really like the packaging, very nice and easy, with the installation manual over here, which is pretty easy stuff. I cannot wait to put it in. So this is gonna be of course for the shifter column, but in here I also have a few more decals. I have one for the climate control, and then I have one for the for-low selector over here. And more importantly, and also I have one for the steering column. As you can see, I hope the sun reflection is not too bad, but my steering over here is all worn out, all used up. So this actually gonna cover it up really nice. So I'm gonna put the stickers over here, 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 and over here. To apply it, it's very easy. I'm gonna use some isotope alcohol to clean it up nice, so there is no grease anywhere here, no dust, no grease. And then just gonna take my time carefully, try and carefully align it and put it on, and I'm guys gonna show you how it looks. So let me clean it up, let me prep it up, and let's see how it's all gonna come out. You can see I went with this pattern, which is like a kind of darker khaki, slightly darker color, but he has actually multiple colors. I think he has different color selections, and he sells it all on the website on Xi. Of course, I'm gonna put a link in the description so you guys can check it out and you guys can choose which one you want. And in reality, it's not even that expensive there. Now I'm just gonna wait for this to dry. Gonna try to see how it looks on a dry contact frost, and I think it looks pretty good. So just make sure you try it before you glue it. Make sure it fits perfect and it looks perfect. So now I'm gonna peel this off, and hopefully I'm not gonna mess it up, and hopefully I'm gonna be able to do it right. But what I'm actually probably it's best to do is start from a top like so, and yeah, and just glue it on like that. So wish me luck, guys, and let's see how this all gonna come out in the end. But hopefully I can get this right. I hope. Alright, one is on. Maybe I kind of messed up over here. Maybe, but the way I started this curve, I wanted to make sure that this is more straight. But I think it's alright. It's very minor. Very minor. I think it's pretty good. Yeah, so now I'm gonna do the second one, which is also gonna start from the middle, because this is the part that we always see, the top and the bottom we rarely see. So yeah, gonna continue with that, and we'll see how it's all gonna come out in the end. This came out much better, I think. And it's so sticky, it's not gonna go anywhere for sure. This sticks really good. Wow, I like this. Instead of having that used up over there, this looks so nice. All right, so now I'm gonna do this one, the column shifter, which looks the nicest. So gonna make sure there's no dust, no dirt or anything, and yeah, let's apply through it. All right, so I peeled off the backing tape, so now I gotta make sure I do it carefully. This one a little bit nervous because this has to come out, this has to come straight over here. So I'm gonna try to line up the lights. Actually, if I can line up the lights, the rest should line up on its own. And I probably should have done one side at a time. I should not have peeled off the other side. No, 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 no. Ay. Okay, that looks somewhat right-ish. And like I said, it's so sticky, it sticks to the hands like crazy. Gotta make sure it goes all straight, otherwise it's not gonna look good at all. Okay. Alright. Okay, I think that looks good. So now I'm just gonna press it in, make sure it stays in place and doesn't go anywhere anymore, ever. Alright. Nice. Wow, I really like this. This really changes up a lot. But let's not forget for this little part over here, which is separate over here. Let's peel that off. Alright, that looks pretty good as well. Now I had a little bit of issue sliding over these buttons because I have oversized buttons over here, but in the end it came out right. So now for the last piece, for the climate control over here. Alright guys, and the last piece of the puzzle is in place. It was not too bad, just take your time, make sure you align everything properly and just press it in so it sticks and stays in place and doesn't move. But this looks pretty good. I really like this. I really like the steering wheel. It looks much better now, and especially like this. This is really nice. Alright guys, just check this out, how nice it looks. The final product, the final result. I think it looks pretty good. And of course the steering wheel. So I don't have that part that is all worn out from the previous owners. I guess they were holding a hand, a finger over here or something. So yeah, this is nice. I really like this. So all of this looks pretty nice, very nice. Alright guys, another project successfully done. This was a very easy installation because all you have to do is just make sure the surface is clean and you applied it even. That's the only important thing, that you applied it even. And like I said, the parts are not even expensive. So as always, I'm gonna leave all the links in the description guys, if you wanna check it out, if you wanna get it, if you wanna support the fellow Xterra owner. I'm pretty sure he's gonna be happy as well. And if you guys gonna buy it, let me know which style are you getting and what are you getting, where you putting it. I would really like to find out what colors combination you guys like the most. So on this note, I hope you guys enjoy this video. I hope you might find it helpful, and as always, until next time, everybody, bye.